Here talking to you today about floater frames. Floater frames are fairly new to framing. It's something that they've thought of in the last 10 years. It's something that has made canvas pictures quite nice. You can take a canvas stretched picture and put it down into your frame to where your frame sets there and the picture would set here, and you have a little bit of air gap. You would museum wrap your canvas stretch so that you saw no staples on the edge, and it would be mounted into the frame like so, and it's just an accent for your canvas picture, and it would just set in there like so. These two happen to be the most popular in my frame shop. They don't really have the little well that you would normally see in the back of a frame. They're very flat here. They have no open, the big opening is there, and that's to give your air for your canvas. But you screw into this and into your canvas to hold it where you want it to be. It's a very classy look. I really like the new thoughts that they have come up with recently.